Hi, so we're going to go through how to use the treadmill. I'm just going to take you through a quick start guide. If you need anything further, like setting times, setting distances, things like that, come find me or one of the other trainers and we'll help you through. But for now, it's just to get you going and get you started. So with our treadmill, what we're going to do is safely stand on, use the handles to help you up as well. Now you can either stand on the belt or stand on the side of the machine when the belt gets started. And simply and just before you get going, attach the emergency pull onto an item of clothing, preferably something quite low where your arms aren't going to hit. So for me, I'm just going to go for the base of my t-shirt. To get started, press the green quick start button and the belt will begin to move slowly. Once we get started, you'll see a rough display coming up on the screen. You can pay attention to that if you want to, or if you're just going for a quick start, we can get going. Here on the left, we have distance, then time, incline, and then speed. You can adjust your speed by pressing the up and down arrows, and then adjust your incline by pressing the up and down arrows as well. I would suggest to get started, if you want to get better at running outdoors, run at an incline between 1 and 2. And for the most part, try and keep your hands off the machine because this mimics real world walking and keeps your posture better. And when you're happy and comfortable, you can increase the speed and the treadmill belt will begin to increase as well. To stop, you have a few options. You can either press the cool down button, pull the emergency release, or press the stop button. So for me, and just to show you how quickly this stops, I'll press the stop button. It slows down fairly quickly, but no, not so fast that you're going to run out the window. I hope this helps, and if you have any more questions, come grab me or one of the other trainers.